Hey guys, Iron Teen here, and I just want to tell you my opinions on how on LEGO Avengers and X-Men 3/3 Disassembled. And now that I saw this video, it made me realize this is the series finale, and whoever watched the premiere, none of us will ever forget what happened. And it's been an honor watching this series for 3 years or 4. The creator left a mark on that, and none of us will ever forget what happened on that video. This is it. See you guys. And also, the video will be in the description what I was talking about.